Hello guys, my name is Shaima. Okay, in this video we will do kitchen cabinet. Okay, before we do kitchen cabinet, you can go to 2D view. Okay, go to 2D view. We need to drag one column here. Okay, so column is in the floor plan. On your left screen, you can go to floor plan. Scroll down, you will see column, this one. Okay, just drag the column to the corner. Okay, you can zoom in. Okay, this is the column. Okay, if you can see, the size is 400. Okay, and make sure the height is 6000 according to our wall height. Okay, 6000. Right, then you can go back to room view or 3D view. So this is the column. Okay, for the kitchen cabinet, you can go to customize, go to cabinets function. Okay, this one is specialized for kitchen cabinets. All right, so you can go to map, go to this area. Okay, go to the kitchen. Okay, so this is the kitchen. Okay, so this one is a base cabinet. Okay, you can change the second button, go to corner base cabinet. Okay, just change the second button to corner base cabinet. Then you can drag this one. Okay, you will see turn left corner. Okay, you can change the second option. Okay, select the second box here. It will change to turn right corner. Okay, and then just drag it to the column. Okay, as you can see, okay, if you select the cabinet, you see the setting here. Okay, all right, so you need to adjust the chamfer. At this corner got chamfer, right? You need to adjust the chamfer. Okay, because it doesn't align with the column. So make sure you select the cabinet, not the door. If you select the door, it will become a door lift setting. Okay, so select the cabinet. Then you go to special parameter values. Okay, change D1, D2. Okay, D1, D2 is the chamfer, sorry, the diameter for the chamfer part. Okay, so you change to 400. D2 also change to 400. So it will align with the column. Okay, because the column size also 400. Right? Then once you have done, you can go to the this wall. Okay, rotate your camera facing this wall. Okay, and then when you drag high cabinet. For high cabinet, you can change the first button. Go to high cabinet. Okay, second button you can change to functional high cabinet. Okay, you can drag the first model, this one, open right microwave and oven. Okay, just drag it to the wall. Okay, this one already got installed oven and microwave on inside. If you select the second model, this one the inside is empty now. Okay, you need to install the microwave and oven later. Okay, so usually we will use the first model like this one now. Right, and then make sure you leave some space between the wall on the left side over here. Okay, if you select the cabinet, you will see the distance up here. This is the number. Okay, you can adjust the distance below 150. Okay, you can go below 150 lah. Make sure it doesn't exceed the 150. Okay, later we're gonna drag filler. Okay, for filler, you can change the first button to special board. Okay, you will see filler here, this one. You can just drag to the space. Okay, when you drag, you can move your cursor up and down, so it will auto resize like this. Okay, so this is the filler. Okay, as you can see, the width, it can go, maximum is 150. So if it doesn't auto resize, okay, you need to adjust your distance. Okay, so let's say your distance between the wall, let me drag first. Okay, so let's say 800. When you drag filler, okay, it won't auto resize now because the maximum you can go only 150. Okay, so you need to adjust the distance between the wall, okay, below 150. Then the filler can auto resize like this. Alright, okay, so done for this part. Next, we're gonna drag one panel board to the side. Okay, so for panel board, you can change the second button to visible panel. Okay, then you can drag this first model, high cabinet visible panel, just drag to the side. Okay, just snap it together like this. Okay, so this one also will auto resize according to the wall high cabinet. Okay, then you can copy the panel. Okay, you just right click, go to copy, or you can press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, so once you copy, you will see two panel here. Okay, select the copied panel and move it to the right. Okay, just move it to the right like this. Then you will see the distance between the two panels. This one 911. Okay, this one you can adjust the distance, change to 1000. Click enter. Okay, adjust to 1000. Okay, and then we're going to drag one wall cabinet up here. Okay, so you can change the first button to wall cabinet. Okay, then the second button you can change to folding door wall cabinet. Okay, then you can drag this one single top hung cabinet. Okay, just drag to the wall, and then you can move your cursor left and right so it will auto resize. Okay, this one you need to adjust a bit. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, and then to move it up, okay, you need to adjust the elevation. Okay, this one elevation is the height from the floor to the bottom part of the cabinet. Okay, so you can change the elevation here or here. It's the same thing. Okay, this one you can try an error. Let's say 1850. Okay, so 1850. You can change the elevation 1850. So it will align with the cabinet up here. Okay, done for this part. Next, we're gonna fill in the space down here. So you can change back to base cabinet. Okay, change the first button to base cabinet. Okay, and then you can drag the double door cabinet. Okay, just drag the double door cabinet. Okay, blue color means the cabinet is loading. Okay, you need to wait for a while. You can also adjust the width of this cabinet. Okay, if the door is too big, you can adjust the width. Here I put 1000. Move. Okay, so this one you can move to the side, and then the single space here, this one I will adjust to 900. Okay, I will change the width to 900. Okay, adjust the position, and then single space here, you can drag this one right single door cabinet. Okay, so this one is open. If you press all button, you can open it. Okay, this one is open to the right. Okay, so if you want to open a left, you can delete, select the second box. This one open left. Okay, you can press all button, open to the left. Okay, so done for this part. Okay, you can rotate the camera facing the empty wall over here. Okay, this one. Then you can drag one drawer cabinet. Okay, change the second button to drawer cabinet. Okay, you can drag, make sure it's a single door. Okay, you can drag this one single drawer right door, or you can drag 4 drawer space cabinet. Okay, up to you. Okay, just drag here. Okay, you can adjust the width if you want. This one will change to 500. Okay, and then you go back to door cabinet. Okay, change the second button, go back to door cabinet, drag double door cabinet here. Okay, next to the drawer cabinet. Okay, you can also adjust the width if you want. This one will change to 900. Okay, done for this part. Next, we're gonna drag one wall cabinet up here. Okay, so for wall cabinet, change the first button to wall cabinet. Okay, second button you can change to folding door wall cabinet. Okay, you can use this one. Okay, but I'll make a double door, so I will use swing wall cabinet. This one, double door. Okay, just drag to the wall. Okay, and then you can see it doesn't align with the bottom cabinet. Okay, to align the top cabinet with the bottom cabinet, you can press shift button. Okay, press shift button, then press control button, select the top cabinet. Okay, so it will highlight both cabinet. Then right click, go to align. Okay, so this one you need to see which way you want to move. Let's say you want to align to the left, so you go to left justify. Okay, so it will align with the bottom cabinet. Okay, so the best result is when you change the width. Okay, same size as the bottom cabinet. Okay, so the width down here is 900. So I will change the top cabinet also 900. So it will align better. Okay, and then let's say I move it to the left. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Press shift button, select the bottom cabinet. Okay, then press control button, select the top cabinet. Okay, then right click, go to align. So this time we want to move it to the right, so you go to right justify. Okay, so it will move to the right and align with the bottom cabinet. Okay, it's like this one. Okay, so let's say you want the top cabinet to move front. Okay, to the front. Okay, so you press shift button, control button, then right click, align. This one you can move to front alignment. So you move to the front, align with the bottom cabinet. To move it backward, you go to align, move backward. Okay, backward alignment. We'll stick back to the wall. Okay, so that's how you align the cabinets. Okay, and then for the top part up here, you can drag, you can go here, second button. Okay, so this one is up to you. You can drag any cabinet from here. Okay, if you want open wall, you can go to open wall cabinet. Okay, you can drag anything from here. This one we have left up. It's like a curved cabinet. Okay. Okay, so move your cursor left and right so it will auto resize. Okay, so it's like this one. Okay, curved cabinet. Okay, and then down here we're gonna do an L-shaped countertop. Okay, L-shaped countertop. So you can go back to base cabinet. Okay, first button change to base cabinet. Second button go to corner base cabinet. Okay, so we have an L-shaped cabinet as well, but I won't be using this model. Okay, so you can go down, scroll down, you will see right turn double door cabinet. Okay, right turn double door cabinet. Okay, you can select the second box, this one. Okay, select the second option, it will change to left turn double door cabinet. Okay, then you need to drag to the wall and rotate it. Okay, there's two methods to rotate the cabinet. Okay, it's either you press Z button, select the cabinet, you will see this arrow popping out like this. Okay, select this arrow, this one, to rotate it. Okay, so let's say we rotate it 90 degree now. Yes. And then you can drag this arrow inward. Okay, drag the cabinet inward, and then you see the distance between the wall here. Okay, 350. Okay, change to 0 so it will snap to the wall. Okay, and then select the cabinet again and move it closer to the cabinet over here. Make sure the panels touch each other. This, make sure there's no gap between the panel. Just move it closer. This, okay. So this one you need to adjust manually. So let's say you don't want to rotate it like this. There's another way you can try. Okay, this one I will delete first. Okay, this one hide. Okay, so you can drag this cabinet, okay, to the door. You see the door here? Drag the cabinet to the door. Okay, make sure it stick to the wall. Oh. Okay, the elevation here I'll change to 100. Right, so this one you just press Z button. Okay, select the cabinet and just drag the cabinet all the way to the kitchen. Okay, so this method you no need to rotate up. Okay, you just drag the cabinet to the door. It will auto rotate according to the wall, and then you just press Z button and drag it all the way to the kitchen. Okay, so it's up to you which method is easier. Okay, then okay, and then for the top part up here, you can drag the same cabinet as the left side. Okay, go back to wall cabinet. Okay, second button you can change to whatever type of cabinet you want. Just fill in the space. Okay, and then you need to adjust the width. Adjust the width. This one, the depth is 550. This one also I will change to 550. Okay. Once you have done with the cabinets, now you can try install the sink. Okay, for sink you can go to this cabinet, double door cabinet over here. Okay, so you can right click on the cabinet, go to hardware, sink installation. Okay, so we have single basin, double basin and corner basin. Okay, I will be using double basin. Okay, so just double click on any model you like. Okay, so this one will automatically pop up. Okay, once you select your sink, the tap installation and water purifier installation will pop up. Okay, and then some model will not have water purifier. Okay, they will only have one installation, which is the water tap only. Okay, some model. So you can choose the water tap. Just double click on any model. Okay, it will auto install on the sink. Okay, you can choose the water purifier. Okay, just double click. Then you can close the tab. Okay, so this is single, right? So let's say you want to replace the sink. You can right click on the sink, go to sink replacement. Same as the water tap. Okay, right click, replace the tap. Let's say we replace it. Okay, never mind. Alright, we try replace the water purifier. Okay. Okay, so that's how you replace the model. Okay, and then let's say you want to adjust the sizing of the sink. You can select the sink. Okay, you can adjust the size here. Say we change to 800. Okay, and then to move the sink you cannot drag left and right like this because it's already installed to the cabinet. So you need to select the sink, go inside the position here. You see this box. Okay, so you can move to the left, right, front, back, up and down. So let's say we move to the left, you need to press negative. Okay, put negative sign and then let's say 50 mm, enter. So it will move to the left. Okay, so let's say you want to move to the right, you just delete the negative sign, move to the right. Okay, so that's how you move the sink. Same as front and backward. Okay, so if you move front, okay, if you want to move to the back, you put negative sign, it will move to the back. Okay, same thing as rotate. Let's say you want to rotate the water tap. Okay, so you select the water tap, you rotate in Z axis, this one. Let's say negative 45. So it will rotate to the left. Okay, 45 degree to the left. Okay. Okay, I will install a new sink. Done. Okay, so settle for the sink. Next, you can install the stove over here. Okay, install the stove. Right click on the cabinet. You go to hardware, stove installation. Okay, right click, hardware, stove installation. Okay, then you can select any stove from the library. Okay, just double click. Then this range hood installation will automatically pop out. Okay, if this hood installation doesn't pop out, you can right click on the stove. You go to hardware, range hood installation. Okay, then select the hood model. Okay, there's T type, side smoking type. Okay, just double click on any model like this. Okay, so it will auto install to the top cabinet like this. Okay, so let's say you want to change the model, just right click, replace the hood. See this one. Okay, sometimes it won't align with the cabinet, so you need to adjust the hood manually. Okay, so you select the hood, you can adjust the sizing. Okay, let's say we reduce the depth of, let's say the depth I put 400. Okay, and then you can move it down. Okay, to move it down, you go to the movement buttons here, move it down 50. Oh, this one is move up. Move down, put negative. Okay, so that's how you move the model. Okay, done for the sink and the stove. Okay, next you can try install the countertop. Okay, for countertop, you can go to the install button up here. See the plus sign. Go to countertop installation. Okay, so it will highlight all the top surface of the cabinet. Okay, and then on your right screen, this is a setting. Okay, you go to section and materials, choose the pattern for the front water baffle. Okay, so this one, front water baffle, is for the pattern for the front here. Okay, the green lines. This one is front water baffle. So if you want curve shape, you can select this one. Okay, or you can select this one. Okay, so this one is a side profile. Right, then for the backwater baffle, okay, backwater baffle is the pattern for the back here, the purple line. Okay, you can choose any pattern. Right, then choose the material for the countertop. So inside the material library, you can go to stone category, this one, stone. Okay, so inside stone, we have slag, marble, terrazzo, and quartz stone. You can explore one by one. Okay, so let's say we go to marble. Okay, select the pattern and then choose the whole section. Okay, whole section is the hole for the sink part. Okay, later I will show you. Just choose any pattern. Right, then click generate. Okay, so it will auto install the countertop. Okay, so let's say you want to delete, let's say if you want to edit the countertop, you can select the countertop. This setting will pop up again. Alright, so just now, okay, for the whole section, let's say we change the whole section to this one, right angle, then click OK. Okay, so you can see the edging of the sink will change off. Okay, and then okay, this one you can delete for the back pattern, back water splash. This one you can delete. The whole section also you can delete, but the compulsory one is the front water baffle and the material. This one you cannot delete. You must choose one. Okay, this one I will delete. Okay, one more thing for the placement. If you see up here, you can change the countertop thickness. Say 20. Okay, And then the placement is for the sink placement. Let's say we change to over mount. Click OK. So it will go on top of the countertop. Okay. Then if you change under mount, okay, it will go back down below the countertop. Okay, so that's how you change the movement of the sink. Alright. Done for the countertop. Next, you can try extend the countertop over here. Okay, you can build the counter table so you can extend the countertop. Okay, how to extend? You can right click, just select the countertop. You go to advanced setting. Okay, select the countertop. At the bottom here, you will see advanced setting. Okay, just click it, it will highlight back all the top surface, and you can select which side you want to extend. Let's say we select this line over here. Just click it one time. You will see got two arrow popping up. Okay, you can select the arrow and then just drag it out. Okay, just drag it out like this. Okay, or you can select the numbering here. See the number? You can adjust the number. Let's say 1005. Okay, then click generate. Okay, so let's say you want to reduce the length, you just select the countertop again, go back to advanced setting. Okay, select the lines and you can reduce the length. Okay, so just click generate. Okay, next we're gonna drop down the countertop to cover the back panel. Okay, to make it drop down, you can right click on the countertop, go to create side countertop. Okay, create side countertop. Okay, so this one you can select which side you want to drop it down. Okay, so let's say we select the back line here. Okay, just click it one time. So this side table editing will pop out. Okay, for now we have the normal installation, this one the standard one, and the 90-degree one only. For now 45-degree it's not available. Okay, so for the standard installation, you can click this one. Okay, so if you want to set your own thickness, you can untick this. Okay, untick this and you can set your own thickness. Let's say 15. Okay, then click generate. Okay, so this is the side panel. Okay, and then one more thing, once you create side countertop, do not change the material or any pattern of the countertop because it will auto delete the side countertop. Okay, so let's say I change the material to this color, click OK. Okay, you will see this is the error message. Okay, then if you click carry on, it will delete the side table. Okay, side countertop. So make sure you set all the material first before you create side countertop. Okay. Okay, one more thing. Just now we have an option for normal, standard installation, and a 90-degree one. So let's say you want to do 45-degree countertop. You can select the countertop, change the front water baffle to the square shape. Okay, this one. Okay, just double click. Okay, then click OK. Right, so it will change to square shape. Then you can right click, create side countertop. Okay, I will show you at this line. Okay, select this side over here. So this one you can go to 90-degree. Okay, 90-degree because 45 degrees that is not available. So you can click generate. Okay, so it's like a 45-degree lah. When you render, you will not see the line. Okay, then for the back panel, just right click, create side countertop, select the line back here. Okay, this one you can click the normal installation. Okay, do not click the 90-degree one, otherwise the edge here will be overlapping. Okay, so you can click install worktop, the normal one. Okay, so let's say you want to drop it down to certain height only. Okay, so you tick landing here. antique landing. Okay, you adjust your height. Let's say 400. Then click generate. So it will fall to 400 only. Okay. Oops. Okay, let me create again. Right click, create set countertop. Okay, generate. Okay, done. Alright, so once done, you can create the skirting. Okay, install the skirting. You can go to install button, molding cornice, go to, oh sorry, trim skirting. Okay, cornice is for the top part. Okay, for skirting, you can go to trim skirting, face trim installation. Right, it will highlight all the bottom part of the cabinet. Okay, and then you can change, choose the pattern first, choose the skirting pattern. Okay, just double click on any pattern. You can change the skirting height here, let's say 100. Then you can choose the material, which is the color. Okay, for plain color, you can go to lacquer material or plastic material. Okay, then click OK. Okay, so it will install the skirting. Let's say you want to replace the skirting, you can just select it. Here you can replace. Just double click and then you can adjust the height 80. Okay. Okay, this one also same. Change. Okay, change already. Okay. Alright, done for the skirting. Next, you can try change the material for the door panel. Okay, for the door panel, you can right click on the wall. Okay, just right click on the wall. Go to all materials, door material. Okay, so wood, you can go to double face. This one is for wood material, or you can go to solid wood material. Okay, so let's say you want to change the panel type. Okay, for panel type, you can right click on the wall. You go to all door panels, panel type. Okay, all door panels, panel type. Just now we changed the color only, but now you can change the door type. Okay, so this one you can choose 45, sorry, the built-in handle. Built-in handle, you can go to handle free door. This one, handle free door. Okay, you can scroll down. Okay, you will see like this one. This one is G handle type, L handle type. Okay, you can select, just double click. It will change all the door panel to G type handle. Okay, so if you want to delete the old handle, you can right click on the wall, all handles, delete. Okay, so this is the door panel. And then, as you can see, on the top here, the panel is on the top, sorry, the handle is on the top part. So basically for the wall cabinet should be handle at the bottom. Okay, so let me adjust the hood first, move it down. Okay, so this one you can change the door. Okay, you can select the door, right click, go to door panel, panel type. Okay, Okay, you can change the type to this one. This one, the handle is at the bottom. Okay, just double click. It will change the handle at the bottom. Okay, and then to copy and paste the door, okay, you can go to style painter. Okay, see this button? Go to style painter. Copy this panel and paste it on other door. So all the handles will be changed to the bottom. Same thing at this type. Okay, this one also, right? Then right click to cancel. Okay, and then one more thing, once you change the door panel, you still can change the color. Okay, so okay, for the filler here, it falls under door material. Okay, it falls under door category. Okay, so to change the material, you cannot select and change inside here. Okay, you need to go to the all materials, go to all materials, door material, and then change the color. For example, this one, just double click. Okay, it will change the fillet and the door panel. Okay, right click on the wall, all materials, door material. Okay, for plain color, you can go to lacquer material. Okay, if you want to change it, if the color doesn't apply to the all door panels, you can go to this icon, go to material painter, copy this color and paste on other door. Okay, sometimes it won't change here, but you will see after render lah. If you click the door, this is the material. Okay, this is the material. Okay, when you render, you will see the color. Okay, go to material painter, just paste the color on the door. Okay, if you select the door, you will see the material, this one. Okay, means you already changed the color. Alright, okay, done for the material of the door. Okay, for the carcass, you can right click on the wall, go to all materials, carcass material. Okay, so this is the carcass material. Okay, so once you have done with the material and the color, you can decorate your countertop. Okay, you can use the auto decorate here. Okay, you see the flower pot icon, go to smart decorations. Okay, and then select any style from here, select single space. Okay, select this area, click OK. And then you need to wait for a while. Okay, you see this button up here, decoration has been finished. You can click change button, so you can change the items inside it. Okay, but sometimes the items inside it won't align with the cabinet, so you need to select the items and move it. Okay, move it to the counter table and adjust it, adjust the position. Okay, all the item you have changed, you can select one by one and adjust the position. Okay, done. Okay, so if you have done with the kitchen cabinet, you can decorate it. Okay, you can go return. Okay, go to library. You can go to electronics down here and you go to domestic appliances. Okay, go to refrigerator and add one fridge to this space. Okay, you can adjust the sizing. Okay, you can take proportion. Maybe you can adjust the width. Okay, and then you can add stool to the counter table. Okay, for stool you can click return, go to furniture. Furniture is up here. Okay, go to chairs and stools. Here got bar stool. Okay, you can drag any chair from here. Okay, just rotate it, and then to resize it you can press C button to resize, or you can resize it inside this product information. Okay, select this. Okay, right, so once you resize it you can press Z button to move it, and then to copy it you can use this button, copy, or you can press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So just move it to the side. Okay, move to the side. Okay, okay, so that's all for kitchen cabinet. Okay, so you guys can try out. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.